Hi! On the Woodpecker today? Yes, I'm replacing the motor on my compressor. If you open the back door of my shop, you will find two essential tools: the dust collector and the compressor. But I have a lot of problems with my compressor's motor. When it starts, it looks like a fireworks display because the rotor's commutator is damaged. When the tank is empty, there's no problem. But if it's full and the brushes are worn out, one of the two fuses will blow. This is because of used brushes. To fix the problem, we take the compressor out to have more space to work around it. Here, it's easy to see that this brush is worn out. When the brushes are that short, I replace them with new ones. Since it's a very old motor, the replacement brushes are a bit too wide. Here you can see the wear of the old one. After cutting them to it, I can put them in place. But this is quite difficult for me because my hands can't enter into the openings of the motor. This is what a brand new brush looks like. Since it's impossible for me to put my hand inside the motor, René always has to replace them for me. After changing the 4 brushes, the compressor works like a charm. I just have to put it back inside the small room and I'm good for 3 or 4 months. But at nearly $25 a brush, replacing them costs me a small fortune. That's why I've decided to change the motor. I found this used 5 horsepower motor to replace the old 3 horsepower unit. To do so, I need to get the compressor out again. But I'm unable to lift this by myself, so I used a tie beam and a chain block. This way, I'm sure to not hurt my back. I put the old motor on a rolling platform, push it away, and lift the new one. I mark the placements for the new holes and drill them. When the excess metal is removed between each set of holes, I can bolt the new motor in place. This is the result after making the electrical hookups. I'm really happy. I should have changed the old motor years ago. The price of paying for all those brushes over the years cost me more than this motor. With this brushless motor, changing the brushes is behind me. The compressor is now back in place. Okay, I know, this is not a typical video, but I wanted to share with you the joy of having a new motor. See you soon for another episode of The Woodpecker.